Next, examine whether GST is exempt on the following independent supply of service. What are the service provided by a private transport operator to scholar boys higher secondary school in relation to transportation of student to and from the school. So yes, because transportation of children are exempted, but the service to be provided by the education institution by way of their transportation exempted. If a private party is doing such service, he is taxable if he crosses a turnover. Service provided by a vehicle parking to general public in a shopping mall. So I'm providing service now. Whether I'm getting this car and putting it valet parking, and when they ask a car, I bring the car again. What is the service? Valet parking. It is exempted. No, it is taxable. Service provided by a vehicle parking to general public are not exempted from GST. Therefore, GST is payable on the same. So